Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we are legacy hunting. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package delivered by Flash Express. Has nothing to do with the DC Flash, but this will contain some of the figures I got from Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so I was able to bump into Buraot Toys, the Facebook page, and he was selling Heroclix. Although, as you will see when I open this, the Heroclix are only figures, so no cards. And usually I wouldn't bother to look at items or Heroclix items with no cards, but as we know, there is a possibility for legacy, and some of the figures are actually going to be legacied or have been legacied. So I think it was the motivation for me to get them. Okay, so by the way, this is orange JR fruit drink with vitamin C. Try them out. Anyway, so I purchased around, I think, 18 items. Some I purchased, as I said, primarily because of the legacy potential, if they're not already legacied. And I also purchased because I also have a bit of a collection of lost cards, meaning cards, Heroclix cards that don't have figures, and some of them are, so it matches well with this one because this is only figures and I have a thick stack of only cards, and some of them, you know what I mean, some of them are these figures. Anyway, so that will make it complete in that sense. So let's take a look at what we have. This is bubble wrap, so there's nothing there. And yeah, here's the Clix that we got. Okay, so this one, the Skillless Man. Okay, let's put them all out. The Skillless Man is I have a, even though it doesn't have a card, I have a card of this because I already have a lot of Skillless Man. So this is really for my collection, and it's a generic figure, so that's worth it for sure. The same goes for the Shi'ar Soldier. Okay, so for generics, yeah, even if you don't have a card, as long as you have one, then you can always use it for casual play. Okay, and then the others, like this one, Outrider. Okay, I have a card of this but no figure, so I'm happy to pick up the figure. And also Bernadette. Okay, I have a card but no figure, so now they found their match. Okay, what else? This one is actually wrong. What I purchased was the Prime Josiah X, because Josiah X has been legacied. Okay, but I already communicated with the seller and he reserved that to me. Okay, so hopefully I can get it at a cheaper price because it's a mistake on his end. As he mentioned, he did not know that there's a difference between a regular and a prime, but that's fine. Okay, so because again, he's a reseller and not a Heroclix player, so I understand completely. That's fine, it's resolved. Okay, and other things here, the Joker, of course, this particular super rare has been legacied in the upcoming Fight for Gotham set. So I don't have him, so now I have him. If I pull the legacy card, then obviously this will be very useful. Okay. Machine Smith has been legacied as well, I think in Collector's Trove, although I don't have the legacy card, but I can probably hunt it down and use him for Silver Age games because the set will be rotating soon. What else? I think those are the legacy figures. And Black Knight, Okay, I have a collection of Black Knights and anything Arthurian I try to collect. So this one is for personal collection, I guess. Okay, Supergirl. I don't have a lot of Supergirl for my collection. And the movie just came out. So even though it doesn't have a card, maybe it has legacy potential in a future DC set. Supergirl rare from JLU. What else? From JLU as well, Amazo. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so Amazo is amazing. But hopefully a legacy. If not, it can be used as a proxy for bystanders or whatnot. And then the rest of the items here, Taskmaster, potential legacy in the Thunderbolts, upcoming Thunderbolt sets. So it's a bit of a gamble. And so I don't have this one. So hopefully he gets a legacy treatment. 12 attack is really high though. So, and perplex. So yeah, hopefully. Crossing our fingers for that. Oh, we have a damage figure. The Hawk Girl. Okay, so it's also from JLU. It's a super rare. The price is, I got this at a good price, so it's fine. And potential legacy, of course. It seems like they love the legacy a lot from JLU. So that's that. Jolt, also potential legacy for Thunderbolts. Okay, so there's already precedence of Prime being legacy like the Josiah X. So hopefully Jolt will be for consideration. Captain America, Steve Rogers rather. Okay, it's the same. Okay, real name Steve Rogers. So yeah, legacy also, but I'm trying to collect also old Avengers. So we have Old Man Phoenix, we have this Captain America, and then old Iron Man and old man Hawkeye. So and Maestro. So he comes for that purpose. And the rest are just again super rares. At that price point, you cannot go wrong with having or getting up a super rare. Tortoise, Mandarin, and Spider Queen. Okay, so all in all, 2, 4, 6, 9, 13, 18 uncarded but wanted figures. Okay, what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and until the next video, bye.